guys, Percy here back for another video. Today we're going to unbox the Samsung wireless charging dual pad. So this is actually by Samsung and it's wireless charger dual pad, fast 2.0 dual fast charging. You can charge two phones or you also can charge your Galaxy Watch, and also compatible with all Qi products like Pixel or other devices support Qi charging. Now included item is a wireless charger, the wired charger adapter, quick start guide, and of course you cannot put any magnets nearby or else damage the wireless charger. And the left side will be fast 2.0, so it's also compatible with Qi survey phones. The right side is also, but it's still on 1.0, so it's fine for that. And of course designed by Samsung in electronic protected, yeah. So wireless charger Samsung on just a few months ago. So just open the box. So just open it up. There you go. So we found charging brick. Now the brick is good number scores here. So you can do a 5 watt, a 9 watt, and 12 watt. So it's times 2, so you can do 25, 10, and also normal 10 because some users are using it. And when you compare to this side by side with the wire phone that come in the box, this is actually a 10 watt. So you see, just because I used to charge my S9, this device, we're going to use this to charge it. And we got an extra USB Type-C E cable, it's good, just in case your old wire is damaged, you got this to replace. Here it is. We have the quick start guide right down here, shows everything, like many different languages in case what's gonna happen. And so yeah, you can see here, this for P compatible. So of course you need to have 25 watts. So watch charge design might be different. And for example, this Australian type, this is the Asia one, which is using in different. If you in UK, it will be the same. This will be the Australian one. If we go back to other country, then mostly EU adapter to charge it. And of course you can use 9.9.7, but if you do, it's fine. However, you will not get the full experience of the fast charging brick. And you can get it anywhere, or you can buy online for Amazon for just like 10 bucks or 20 bucks, you can get it. So yeah, and let's see what we got. The fan, so just in case you want to cycle up. So yeah, that's it. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and peace out.